The Black Swamp Ice Frogs is a special needs hockey program in Bowling Green. Michael Howick created the team 7 years ago to give his autistic son Jack a chance to play hockey. The Ice Frogs currently have 20 players. Their ages range from 4 to 36 years old. Parents say the team gives players a sense of accomplishment.
I get to see a side of them that some parents don't get to see, and then also working with all the other kids, seeing how they interact is the most amazing thing.
Players learn to skate, handle the puck, and shoot into the goal. But hockey is an expensive sport. It costs almost $3,000 to pay for ice time per year. The Ice Frogs are a non-profit organization but have a $200 registration fee. In order to offset costs, the team raises money.
The Black Swamp Ice Frogs use fundraisers to pay for all their hockey expenses.
Some of their multiple fundraisers include spaghetti dinners and silent auctions. And the team has been met with a lot of community support.
We love the game, and then with the special needs, there's just a great overall need from the community.
The team is willing to fully or partially forgive the registration fee based on the family's financial situation. Brennan Hall reporting.